3 years ago, I actually was working at Bay Village as a baker. Alan and Gary are good friends of mine, and my mom was also friends with them. And 3 years ago, she had a heart attack. And unfortunately, she didn't survive. She was at the hospital, Fundraiser Regional, for a month before she passed. So when I did return back to work about a month later, Alan suggested they really wanted to do a fundraiser in honor of my mom. You know, she's a very special woman and meant a lot to all of us, obviously. They came up with this cookie fundraiser idea, making cookies, and all of it was in honor of my mom and to bring awareness to heart health. And of course, we picked February being Heart Awareness, Heart Awareness Month. When I see the response from the community, I'm at a loss for words. My mom was a very soft-spoken, gentle, humble person, and to see this response and turn into something so much bigger than her, than me, than Bay Village, than everything, it's incredible. I just can't even express my thanks to everybody who's purchased a cookie, from people who knew my mom to people who didn't. Like, it's the biggest honor. I can't thank Alan and Gary and Bay Village enough for everything that they've done for my mom and just for the community in general.
Seeing Bay Village Coffee raising awareness and supporting a campaign like this for the foundation definitely makes me happy. I've known Gary and Alan for 3 years now. We even became friends, and they have a huge heart. They're good people, and it just shows in how they care about the community and how they care about heart disease. And it's no secret that Alan recently had a heart attack, and I think that this is even more, it makes even more sense to raise awareness and participate in that campaign. Supporting the cath lab and developing the cath lab, bringing new tools, is definitely something that's extremely important because we serve not only Thunder Bay, but all Northern Ontario. So we get patients from all the little small cities and towns that are a little bit more northern than us. It's very important. We are the most northern cath lab in Ontario, and we would love to be able to offer a bigger array of services here. When you're supporting our Hearts at Home campaign, you're directly supporting the foundation and the cath lab in heart surgery. So it's important to give. Please come and visit us at Bay Village Coffee.
With the amount of money that we raised last year, we were eligible to dedicate a patient room to Patty Hobbs. And so we went there on March 31st to Thunder Bay Regional. We dedicated the room. And on May 5th, just over a month later, I was in the hospital with a heart attack in the room next door to the one that we had just dedicated. Interestingly enough, during my stay in the hospital, they used equipment on me that was purchased through the fund, through the foundation. So it really became a full circle moment for me. I didn't expect that I would ever be the one to need this service. When we started raising money for it, it was for other people. Never in a million years would have expected it would have been for me. The quality of care that I received when I went to the emergency was just astounding. It was really amazing. I was in the emergency room within 10 minutes of arriving at the hospital. They did testing right away, got me into the cath lab immediately, and saved my life. Every single person that comes in here to buy a cookie is genuinely, sincerely here to support this campaign. They really believe in it. It touches their hearts. Everybody has a story of somebody who needed this service for themselves. I like to say that everybody knows somebody with a heart, so it really does impact everybody.
Together we're